Hello and welcome back to another earthquake update. Today, the 15th of December, there was a 2.8 magnitude earthquake in the Texas Panhandle region. This occurred at 1951 hours UTC time, or at 1351 hours local time. It occurred at a depth of 5 kilometers, and the epicenter was located 9 miles north-northwest of Texola, Oklahoma, 13 miles northeast of Shamrock, Texas, and 14 miles east-southeast of Wheeler, Texas, and 101 miles east of Amarillo, Texas. So there's your update for today. Have a great day.